Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Fit headlight. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Locate the headlight assembly, which is typically found behind the front bumper on a Honda Fit. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the old bulb. You'll need to remove any clips or screws that hold the headlight assembly in place. Once you have access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling. Then, depending on your specific Honda Fit model, you will either twist the bulb counterclockwise or unclip it to pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, it is crucial to handle it only by its plastic or metal base. Avoid touching the glass part, as oils from your skin can create hot spots and shorten the bulb's life. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it seats correctly and is secure. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb until you hear a click or feel it lock into place. Before you put everything back together, turn on your car and test the new headlight to ensure it's working properly. Once confirmed, carefully replace all the clips, screws, and any other components you removed earlier, making sure everything is secure. Double-check that the headlight assembly is firmly in place. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. You've successfully changed your Honda Fit headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.